Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make my fudgy brownie. It is kids' favorite, it is my favorite. I'm gonna take you to the ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some egg at room temperature, granulated sugar, semi-sweet chocolate, instant coffee, vanilla bean paste or vanilla bean extract, cocoa powder, flour, this is only all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, baking powder, just a bit, and in this bowl I have my melted butter. Now, my oven is preheating right now, 375 Fahrenheit. My instant coffee, I'm gonna go add about a tablespoon of hot water so the instant coffee can dissolve. And my chocolate, I'm gonna go ahead and microwave this until it just get melt, and then we're gonna put all of this together in just a minute. Now my chocolate has been microwaved. I'm gonna stir that in a bit, and my coffee, I had already put the hot water. Now to my melted butter, I'm gonna add my sugar. I'm just gonna use a hand whisk today. You can definitely use electric hand mixer. Just a mine, no need to go crazy with this. And add your egg. And then just beat the egg. A teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract. And just mix that up as well. I'm gonna go add the coffee. Just take a spoon and mix it just to make sure that it is well mixed. Add this to your butter. Stir that. And now the chocolate, just mix it. That is also well melted. Add this to your mixture and give this a mix as well, just until combined. All right, and now my dry ingredient, I'm just gonna quickly mix this up, and I want to sift this. I'm gonna add all of them at once, but sifted. Make sure you sift all of this, because you guys know that cocoa powder is, you can see it's already like bubbling. Just mix that straight to your brownie mixture. You're gonna use your hand whisk again and keep mixing this just until combined. Do not overmix when you get to this point. So that was less than a minute. Everything is looking good. Well, less than a minute just after you add the dry flour, the dry ingredients. And now this looks good. I'm gonna switch with my spatula. Just give this, the whole mixture, a good mix for one more time before it goes to the pan. And my pan, I have greased the pan, lined with parchment paper. Do not use wax paper. And I also grease the parchment paper as well. And just pour your butter. Good. Just spread this around just to make sure they are evenly spread. Okay, so this looks good. And now this is going to go in my preheated oven, 375, until nicely done. And I will show you how it looks like in the middle. Just use a toothpick, insert until comes clean, you know your brownie is done, and you can use just a butter knife. And I'll see you soon. My brownie was in the oven for exactly 22 minutes and they are nicely and done. So what I'm gonna do, this is why we use parchment paper. It's so easy. Just remove it from the pan and on a cutting board. So let's cut this. I want to show you how it is inside. I'm gonna actually make this into half first, another half on the other side. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see any more kind of brownies, cookies, or anything for kids especially. Okay, so this is done. Let me grab one and I'm going to show you. Look how the chocolate is melted and how soft is the brownie. I can just break it just like that. This is so good. It's to die for. Get the recipe down below in the comment section. I will see you next time. Bye.